This is my walk around video on my 2025 Z06 in Competition Yellow Metallic with Habanero interior. Very rare combination that took actual approval from the factory to build. So I think it came out great. The stripes on here we see kind of a burnt orange, and these were factory option, installed by the factory with black outlines. And I added this nice carbon fiber splitter, and I have the original that will go with it, but it was kind of anemic, so I think it looks much better with the carbon fiber extended front splitter and the canards. And these are all from ACS plastics, I guess they call it, carbon fiber stuff. Original wheels with also, you can only get these orange, or again burnt orange look calipers with the carbon ceramic brakes. As you can see, that's what we have on here. They look great. Tires are from Michelin Sport Pilot tires, still in good condition. It's only 2,300 miles on the car. I added these ACS screens on the sides there. Also, you can see there are screens here that we also had installed, top and bottom and front here as well. You can protect from the radiators from rock chips. No rock chips on the front of this car. I never tailgate. That's my pet peeve. I can show you this real good. It's all perfect condition as it was when I bought the car. Windshield is in good condition. The windows have been tinted. Give it a little more look. Let's see, what else can I show you? These Jake rear C8R decals are also a factory option. This is the low splitter in the back here, or wing. Obviously here you can see these are really pretty. They're kind of a metallic orange, burnt orange look. You can see in here we have the yellow engine cover that it was custom made, and I'll show you that in a moment too. Carbon fiber little frame there for the license plate, black tips on the exhaust, center exhaust, and around. And here we are at the beginning. I added these just because this was just black under here, and these are a carbon fiber add-on piece that just sticks on, but it looks really nice. The interior is this really nice burnt orange kind of look. Let me climb in here. This is all Alcantara, as you can see here in the center. Carbon fiber on the back here, and all the orange stitching. This is LT3, I think they call it. This is the highest level interior. Let me climb it. This gets you the carbon fiber steering wheel with Alcantara here on the grips, and the orange matching little ring right here, center of the ring. What I like about this interior is all this stuff in here is all Alcantara rather than junky looking cheap plastic. So even this little guy with the orange stitching on it, orange stitching on the steering wheel, beautiful orange stitching all through the interior on top, and this is all Alcantara on the roof, as you can see. Alcantara here on the sunshades, all the way across here, even here, Alcantara over there, and of course stitching here on the door itself, and heated and cooled seats, of course. And what else can I show you here? Well, we can start her. Something good. It's updated the software. We're going to do software updates correctly. Nice. I can see that it's 2,370 some odd miles of the car itself. decals there for sure. You could change all this, of course, to different settings. And what else can I show you? I'll press the camera on here for the review. I guess I should show you the engine, right? Okay, let's do it. Finding it. Only selling this car because we're moving to Tennessee to a house that only has a 2-car garage. And my wife says this car has to go. So, one of the options in here is I covered all these black plastic, yeah, real texture. Aluminum cast piece here. Got the mats in here. Front and back. Oh, and I added these, but I'll give you the original mats, whoever buys it. These are made by Cocoa mats. They're a synthetic material, woven, but they're really nice and custom made to fit. You can have the little notches here. And what's nice about them is any dirt and stuff of that type goes right through, and they're solid on the back pan, the back piece of it. So no dirt ever shows up, and even if your feet are wet, it doesn't matter. Much better than carpets. I put them in all my Porsches, so I put them in the Corvettes as well. Let's see. And, this has a soft close front and back, of course. Walk around one more time. You can see all the purple shit. The bait is on the side. So, look at this. And this has the little mat in here as well. So this one, 2025, both pillows. That soft close function. There's the other wheel. It's the side of the car. I didn't put any PPF on this car because I never get any scratches against it. I never tailgate, but also because it's got these nice decals from the factory. I didn't want to try and cover those or remove them and put them back on. But as long as you don't tailgate, this car so far has not had any problem. Watch this. If you're a tailgater, even the PPF won't save it. Does have the lift in this car as well. It's an option, which is nice. Use that a lot. And there it is. Love the car, but everything has its day. Move on. That's it, my friends. Any questions? Let me know. Happy to answer. I've had no factory warranty repairs on the car yet. I had the oil changed once already at the dealership, only serviced at the dealership. The transmission service is still free on this car, and it's all 7,500 miles. But the dealership says it's not necessary yet. You can put more miles on the car. So there it is.